Bring him. This is her father-in-law. He's a teacher in Conference Cove. This is his daughter, who's in 5th grade now.
6th grade?
It's a program that she wrote.
She's in 6th.
When I say wrote, it worked with graphics, so you don't really write it, but somebody wrote the program and then put some color on top of it. So now she's been learning that. So the scenario would be, I tell her to go to the South Pole. We just landed her, because this is old. We're not going to do that anymore. To go up there and pick up a vehicle tire from Apollo 11. Got it? But to make it easy on her, that's a little bit more sophisticated because of all these lines. She hasn't learned that in 5th grade, they're not there. By high school juniors, they should be able to know all those lines, coordinates. Okay? So anyway, what she's going to do is fly it from the South Pole to the North Pole. So just like on the Earth, it'd be like flying an airplane from the south to the north. And it's going to be done remotely. So go ahead, show them. Has got 170 roads young. Many of them have not been out of boxes because most teachers can't fly in yet, but the kids can. So how do we solve that? That's another problem we've got. Okay, he's a teacher. Okay, science teacher, 5th grade now, was 3rd grade. So we've got to get the teachers involved here to learn how to do this because they're going to learn it on their own, whether good or bad. So anyway, that's the drone, and it's being done by coding, remote control. Okay. So what we're doing now, we're starting in October to teach coding, but text coding is for the grade level above that. For the people who want it, we can actually start do the graphic coding. So they call it Scratch. Anybody who's into coding, but you can code these little guys to go from here. And we'll go to a stop sign, and if it's red, he's going to stop. And you turn it green, and he's going to go. Then there'll be a sign with a QR code. It'll say go right. I think you got a detour. The little guy's going to come up there, go right, and end up on the right side over there. So all this is available. So the question is then, how are we going to get it to our younger ones? What we're competing with from the standpoint of parents is China is teaching this coding to every Chinese student starting in 3rd grade. Now think about that. And they're teaching it in English, not in Chinese. That was a dictum 10 years ago. So then the question is, when they get to the high school, or you join the Army, you're up to high school, who's going to be the best soldier? So, anyway, we've gone over tactile learning. Oh, we forgot something.